This is my M249 SAW full metal airsoft gun. Some of the features are, it's got this carrying handle, collapsible stock, bipod. This comes off, you can take the bipod off. It's almost all steel construction. It's pretty heavy, like 20 pounds. The only plastic parts are this, the handguard, the pistol grip, and of course the yellow tip. I just bought this gun because a friend of mine's having this crazy airsoft party next week. I'm not really into airsoft guns, but you know, I just decided I wanted it. Yeah, okay, that was a little interruption. It'll take these standard M4 magazines as well. You know, just this isn't a wind-up. This is a 120 round spring-loaded one, and it comes with one 2,500 round box magazine, which is pretty awesome. It's self-winding. The replaced one's like $60 though, so I really hope it doesn't break. Anyway, I'm going to take this outside and I'm going to see if it can shoot through this coconut shell, which I know a 500 FPS Thompson won't shoot through, so it'd be pretty impressive if it could.
Now!
Yeah, it kind of just cracked the coconut in a few places, but didn't do much damage. Put a good like 1,000 rounds into it. The video kind of stopped a little short, but you know, it's not like you never need an airsoft gun to shoot through coconuts. I mean,
Yeah.
I think it's fine against anything, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Yippee-ki-yay.